morning snap off. It's Sunday. We're making lots of progress. As you can see, we're very busy.
We found loads of water in the oil catch can, if you count that as progress.
1 minute.
Do you feel better now?
Yes.
Oh yeah, sorry, pinky out.
Yes, please.
Oh my God. What the hell? Oh, coarse condensation and stuff.
No, water getting into it. Water's going into it and coming out.
How?
Through the filter cap.
Oh my God. Oh, that sounds expensive.
No, it's not anything bad.
It's not anything bad because it's not Roger paying for it. This is the most fiddly thing I've ever done in my life.
How are you getting on, James?
This is why you pay people to do it.
How's it going? You enjoying yourself?
No. I pull one side and it falls off. I pull it back and the other side falls off. Yep, my nice new bumper. I can't even feel it. I can't even feel it on the end.
I've got an idea. James, I've got an idea. Go get the Allen key.
Anything related? Never mind. Never mind.
Yappa, yappa, yappa.
Go on, carry on.
God, that bumper's barely held on, isn't it?
Yeah, mate.
Oh! Oh! Oh. What are you laughing at? I'm going to splash the hell out of you here if you don't move.
It's going on YouTube, Ross, and we've got to take both cars, haven't we?
But I don't have any lights.
And I don't have back seats. God, your car's so easy to wash.
It's a lot easier than yours. My name is Roger and welcome to my YouTube channel. James is going to join me shortly. James, come here.
Okay, so we finished working on the cars. I'm starving, Roger's starving, the rest of the team's starving. We're gonna go to Pandamami in Chester and get some grub. Fancy a Chinese, do you, Rog?
Fried rice.
Just a lot of it. You're just gonna have the bowl of fried rice.
Yeah, just do it in the tray. I'm gonna take the tray. I'm gonna take it out.
Put your plate back in place and just walk off with the tray.
Take the tray.
Okay, brilliant.
A little bit of curry sauce.
Okay, Roger's gonna do a little POV for you on the way home.
Yeah, of me eating Chinese.
We'll see you there. So on the way to Pandamami, and my front bumper has fallen off. So hopefully Roger will be here in a minute to bring me some cable ties and get me back up and running again, because I am in the middle of nowhere. My Lord and Saviour, save me, Rog! Jesus. That radiator's going to get some abuse, isn't it?
Oh, well, it's an intercooler.
Intercooler, sorry. So, Rog, we've arrived at Pandamami in Chester.
Don't do that.
Second plate of the night. What are you having, Rog?
Chicken.
You're having chicken?
Lots on.
Honestly, you all need to come and try this. This place is incredible. All your desserts and stuff here. All you can eat.
Onion ring.
Onion ring?
Onion ring.
Yeah. The mummy in Chester, and I've.
Do you want to hear any word of that? You're too far away from the camera, you've not got your mics on.
That's, yeah.
Go get my phone.
You go get your phone.
You go.